For many students, their day begins and ends on a school bus, making it the perfect place to spread germs, but also the best place to combat them. When combined with the right sanitizing and disinfecting solutions, the Victory Cordless Electrostatic Sprayer is the ideal way to ensure your buses are germ-free. The Victory Cordless Electrostatic Sprayer is designed to save the school district time, money, and provide full coverage of your disinfecting chemicals, which means fewer germs. All school transportation vehicles should have a high-touch disinfection program in place, in addition to routine interior surface cleaning procedures. Now, sanitizing and disinfecting your bus fleet is easier than it has ever been using this simple procedure. To begin, make sure your disinfecting solution is approved to be sprayed. Next, set the nozzle on the Victory Sprayer to the correct micron setting. The Victory Sprayer has 3 droplet-size settings to correspond to the dwell times needed for your disinfecting solution to work. The 40-micron setting will allow for a 3 to 4 minute dwell time, the 80-micron setting will allow for a 6 to 8 minute dwell time, and the 110-micron setting will allow for a 13 to 16 minute dwell time. Once you have chosen your nozzle setting, turn the sprayer on and squeeze the trigger. The optimum sprayer distance is about 2 feet. Disinfect the high-touch areas such as hand railings, grab bars, seats, and seat backs. You should also allow the surfaces to remain wet for the required dwell time. We found it best to start in the front of the bus, giving special attention to high-touch points such as the gear shift and door lever. Continue on the driver's side, moving to the back of the bus. Spray from high to low. Move to the other side of the bus and repeat the process working towards the front. When spraying with the Victory Cordless Electrostatic Sprayer, the chemical solution is charged, turning all of the liquid ions to positive. When they are sprayed, they will repel each other in the air and on surfaces. The result is full, complete coverage of an area. Because the particles of disinfecting solution will spread out, it gives you the best chance of killing the germs even in the nooks and crannies. These charged particles are also drawn to land on neutral and negatively ground surfaces, so the chemical will not linger in the air like with a traditional fogger. This makes the bus usable in 5 to 15 minutes after it's sprayed. When you reach the open doors, spray the interior. Exit the bus and spray the exterior. Amazingly, we were able to work through the entire bus in 8 minutes with the Victory Cordless Electrostatic Handheld Sprayer, and in only 5 minutes with the Victory Cordless Electrostatic Backpack Sprayer. With a Victory Cordless Electrostatic Sprayer, fighting germs just got easier.